Hello and welcome to the latest instalment of the Institute of Directors ASEAN Special Interest Group series, the UK in CPTPP, what does it mean for business and trade in ASEAN? In this country-specific episode, you can probably see from the flag behind us, we're going to be talking about Brunei and what does the CPTPP mean for UK Brunei trade? Where are the opportunities and how do we avail of them? I'm Gavin Wilkins, I'm co-chair of the IOD ASEAN SIG. If you'd like to connect with us, we've got a dedicated section on the IOD website, iod.com. You can connect with our group on LinkedIn, or you can connect directly with me, and I'll be delighted to hear from you. So on the 15th of December 2024, the UK joined the CPTPP, and in doing so, it became part of one of the largest free trade areas in the world, constituting around 50% of global GDP. The CPTPP consists of around 12 nations, including the UK, and 4 of those are in ASEAN, Brunei, Vietnam, Singapore, and Malaysia. And today we're going to be talking about Brunei. I'm delighted to be here at the historic Old Admiralty Building, which is the home of the UK government's Department of Business and Trade. And I'm delighted to be joined by Rachel from the UK DBT CPTPP utilisation team, who has responsibility for Brunei. Rachel, thanks for having me.
Thank you very much for having me, Gavin. Looking forward to having a chat on CPTPP and what it means for doing business with Brunei.
Maybe you could just tell us a little bit about your role, what you do, and what you are doing in terms of your job for UK Brunei trade.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm the Deputy Utilisation Lead for CPTPP here in the Free Trade Agreement Utilisation team in DBT. The role of our team is to communicate the benefits of free trade agreements to businesses and equip them with the right tools in order to leverage the opportunities that free trade agreements provide. In particular here with Brunei, with the CPTPP. Brunei is a really exciting market for UK businesses. There's strong historic ties there between the UK and Brunei. The UK brand has a really strong reputation in Brunei. There's a lot of respect for UK expertise, innovation, UK goods and services. Brunei is strategically located in the Asia-Pacific region, very close to Malaysia and Singapore and the wider Asia-Pacific and ASEAN countries.
Which sectors within Brunei could present opportunities for UK business?
So key sectors would be education. There's a lot of opportunity there for UK education services suppliers. There's also a lot of opportunity in the energy space as Brunei looks to transition away from oil and gas. There's a lot of opportunity there when it comes to decommissioning, but also with renewables as well. And then there's opportunity in the tech space, so AI as well as digitalisation and a range of different elements of the tech sector too.
And what does the trade agreement landscape look like between the UK and Brunei?
So this is the first time that the UK has had a trade agreement with Brunei, so It's a huge opportunity for UK businesses that are already doing business in Brunei or are thinking of doing business with Brunei to really take advantage of the benefits that the CPTPP presents for businesses in the region, whether that be tariff reductions, so all UK goods will be eligible for tariff-free access to Brunei after staging in some cases. So there's huge opportunities there with exports, with goods exports. There's increased market access for service suppliers. There's access to Brunei's procurement market, as well as elements of digital trade as well. So the agreement makes it easier, faster and cheaper to do trade with Brunei. So faster customs procedures, but then also recognition of e-signatures as valid as paper signatures as well. There's also elements with goods trades when it comes to accumulation. So inputs from other CPTPP markets will count as UK originating in order to meet the rules of origin requirements under the agreement. So there's huge opportunities there to diversify supply chains and when you're thinking about trading with Brunei.
What have you been doing within the DBT to engage with businesses on the opportunities in the Brunei market, and how do you think businesses are responding to that?
So we ran a trade mission last year, and we're looking at running another trade mission towards the end of this year. So it'd be good for business to keep an eye out on that. But then we're engaging with businesses through all sorts of different forums, so whether that be through doing webinars, doing podcasts such as this, engaging through chambers as well as other organisations as well. So really making sure that we're understanding how the agreement's working for businesses on the ground is a really important element of our work. So that's the monitoring aspect. So we're really looking for feedback from businesses, in particular building up our case studies of businesses that are successfully trading with Brunei under the agreement and the sort of the experience that those businesses are having.
Is the trade mission something that directors of businesses in the UK can get involved in?
Yeah, definitely. So just keep an eye out on information that comes out on the trade mission. That they could be, sometimes trade missions are sector specific or sometimes they're more general. We won't know until later on once things are confirmed, but it's a good opportunity for businesses that are interested in trading with Brunei.
There's a lot of new information to take in. The agreement itself is still new. People are getting to grips with that. Where should people be going to find out more information about how they can engage with the Brunei markets and how the CPTPP can help them?
All businesses that are interested in CPTPP markets or interested in exporting in general should be going on grit.gov.uk. It's a huge bank of resources for businesses to have access to. So on there, we've created policy guidance as well as sector guidance for the CPTPP markets. So whether that's rules of origin, trading goods and services digitally. We've got also travelling for business purposes, so the temporary entry, talent mobility, explainers. So there's a huge host of resources online there. But we also have the Export Academy webinar series as well that businesses can dial into and watch along. But then we also have the International Trade Advisor Support Network system as well. So businesses should really look to see whether they can have access to that network as well. But also reach out to us. We're always here and really interested to hear what businesses have to say and their experiences, and also give them advice on their particular sector and how we can help support them with their export journey.
Wonderful. So we've got a new agreement, we've got lots of resources, and we've got a trade mission coming up again later in the year.
Hopefully, yeah, that would be great.
Excellent. Rachel, thanks for your time today. Really enjoyed speaking to you.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's been great talking to you as well. And please, for everyone, get in touch with us. We'd be really happy to talk.